In the series of training program on medicinal plant, today we will discuss about orchid. Basic idea on identification and their medicinal values. This is the orchid. It is a flowering plant. It belongs to monocot, largest flowering plant, oldest plant family about 84 million years ago. So these are the some aspect of orchid. Orchids, three different important parts: leaves, pseudobulb, root. These are the habitat of orchid: terrestrial, ground orchid, tree orchid epiphytic, rock orchid, lithophytes. Vanilla flavors comes from the beans of a special kind of orchid that grow on a vine. There are places in Africa where clean water is not available. Women walk miles every day to collect water, and that water is not clean. Scientists are working to solve this problem through biomimicry. They made a nylon mesh to mimic the outer cells of an orchid's air root. Rain, fog, and dew condense on the mesh. They designed a light bamboo structure. The orange mesh hang inside the bamboo structure. The water drops that collect on the mesh run down into a large ball. People can fill their water jugs from a faucet in that container. Types of orchid: two types of sympodial and monopodial. So sympodial orchid is one that has growth connected by rhizome. Rhizome grow from existing pseudobulb underneath the surface of the media, producing new shoots which develop into new growth. Example of sympodial orchids include Oncidium, Dendrobium, and Catalea. Basically, anything that produce new growth which mature into pseudobulb or can. When dividing a sympodial orchid, cluster of these or more pseudobulbs are separated by cutting the rhizome connecting them together. Monopodial orchid grow root, leaves, and flower spike from one stem. Monopodial orchids do not create a new growth as part of their normal growing pattern. Instead, a monopodial orchid will replace all leaves and roots with new ones. The growth pattern is therefore vertical. Example of monopodial orchids are Phalaenopsis and Vanda. So it is a orchid, flower, spike, leaf, orchid, stem, root, keiki. Keiki is a Hawaiian word for baby orchid. This is the orchid. You can observe wild collected papillidiums with collapsed surface cell and damaged midrib. Orchid leaf damage. Also note the presence of lichens. Flower parts: sepal, petal, anther cape, stigmate surface, sepal, leaves, sepal. These are the important flower, the parts of a flower of an orchid. You can observe bilateral symmetry. It shows the bilateral symmetrical. All three of these are bilateral symmetrical orchids. Even the fancy one in the middle, you can observe. So see how two sides of the flower mirror each other, mirror image to each other. Now taxonomy. Plant kingdom: flowering plants, monocot, macroscopic seed, that is Orchidaceae. Orchid species, you can observe bulbophyllum, epidendrum, dendrobium. So maximum bulbophyllum, then dendrobium. Orchid species genera wise: Oceania, North America, tropical Asia, tropical Africa, then Europe and temperate Asia. So maximum we found orchid in tropical Asia. Some orchids of India. Acamp, Ochracea, leaves are used against diarrhea. Acamp papulosa, roots are used to cure joint pain. Plateria strata, whole plant are used against respiratory problems. Clanth biloba, whole plants are used against inflammation. Clanth triplicata, roots are used against inflammation. Celogyne ochracea, roots are used against inflammation. Renanthera muscata or red vanda, flowers are used against aging. Blue vanda, Vanda cadellua, flowers are used against aging. Paphlodium hirsutum. The whole plants are used against a stomach problem. Pyria flava used as flavor. Lepidus staphylococcus roots are used against muscular pain. Propagation of orchid. You can observe how to propagate propagation of orchids. We propagated these orchids. You can observe that we planted, and now you can observe the flowering. Socio-economic value of orchids. People collect it from wild and they used to sell, but better that they should propagate it and then sell. Socio-cultural part of orchid, you can observe Dendrobium densiflorum. Some contribution to the flora of India, or from Imphal, Manipur, Symbidium viridi. Then our contribution to the flora of Manipur, Oberenia. Our contribution to the flora of Manipur, Joxin flava. These are some publications on orchid species. So thank you very much.